Hello, I'm ISBA President Paula Holderman. Today, I'm pleased to welcome the Honorable Patricia Banks, a judge in the Circuit Court of Cook County. Judge Banks was recently appointed by Chief Judge Tim Evans as the presiding judge of the new Elder Law and Miscellaneous Remedies Division. I asked her why the court established this new division. Judge Banks, thanks so much for being here with us today.
It's my pleasure.
Now, recently you were appointed the presiding judge of the Elder Law Division. This is a new division. Tell us why the Elder Law Division was formed.
The Elder Law Division was formed by Chief Judge Evans to respond to the growing population, that being older adults. At this point, and it's going to be happening more and more, we have more older adults in our court system than the younger population. And so with that comes problems having to do with aging and special issues having to do with predatory lending, consumer issues, other consumer issues, and most importantly, abuse, neglect, and financial exploitation. You've heard a lot in the media about abuse, neglect, and financial exploitation. And the Elder Law and Miscellaneous Division is a response to this epidemic.
So, Judge Banks, I understand that the new division has 3 initiatives: the Elder Protection Courts, the Cook County Elder Justice Center, and the Community Outreach Programs. Can you tell us a little bit about each one of those prongs of this new Elder Law Division?
Sure, I'll be happy to. The first prong is the Elder Protection Courts. These courts are set up in the Criminal Law Division, in the Elder Law and Miscellaneous Division, as well as over at 555 West Harrison, which is Domestic Violence Division. The reason for the courts being set up in the fashion they're set up is because we could not, for security reasons, we didn't want people who've been accused of felonies to be over in the Daly Center. The appropriate location would be the Criminal Division. So I have 3 judges that are duly assigned to the court, to the Elder Law Division, sitting there hearing exclusively abuse, neglect, and financial exploitation cases. Over at the Domestic Violence Division, we have judges that are assigned to hear cases involving older adults aged 60 and over who are victims of domestic violence. And then in the Daly Center, we have judges assigned for the purpose of hearing cases involving abuse of violations of power attorneys, or abuses of the power attorney, domestic violence also, and also cases having to do with elder abuse, neglect, and financial exploitation. Now, the second prong has to do with the community outreach. With community outreach, we are going all over the county. We're offering services such as lectures on what is elder abuse, neglect, and financial exploitation, how seniors may empower themselves in terms of consumer frauds, the scams. We've heard all about the scams. And we want seniors to be more in tune with how best to protect themselves against neglect, people who might neglect them, caregivers, scams, homeowners.
And Judge Banks, who is giving those lectures?
Oh, those lectures are given, this is coming out of our community outreach program, but it emanates from the Elder Justice Center. I gave you 2 of the prongs. Now, the third prong is the Cook County Elder Justice Center. There at the Elder Justice Center, we're set up to have older adults come to the center, which is located right downtown in the Richard J. Daley Center on the concourse level. There we have law students and supervising attorneys for the law students. Now, we're not giving legal advice, but what we are doing is providing links. We're referring older adults and family members who come into the center to social services as well as to legal services that may be of assistance to them. We're also providing translation services, courtroom tours. We're trying to show the older adults how to navigate this court system, because we have so many seniors in our system now that what we're seeing is they're all over the court in all of our divisions of the court. We have 16 divisions, and we're trying to streamline the process. If there is a particular unique issue, we like to address that in a way that would make older adults feel comfortable using our system and to feel as though they have the same access to the court as the rest of the Cook County population. You may not know this, but we now have over 800,000 persons over the age of 60 in Cook County, and a number of them will seek the services of the court system.
I want to thank Judge Patricia Banks for being with us today to discuss the Cook County Court's new Elder Law Division. I'm Paula Holderman. Until next time.